Hotel Asase is heavily fortified, but it wasn't enough to stop a suicide bomber from ramming a car full of explosives into the building. 4 gunmen then stormed the hotel, killing and injuring dozens during a siege that lasted hours.
The death toll is now at 26. Those killed in the attack included Somalis with different nationalities. 3 of them were Kenyans, a Canadian, a Brit, 2 Americans and 3 Tanzanians. 56 were wounded in the attack.
Among the victims was prominent Somali Canadian journalist Hodan Nalaya.
It's been a long time.
She had gained hundreds of thousands of followers on YouTube for her videos showcasing Somalia's hidden beauty. She wanted to tell positive stories from our homeland, which has suffered from years of civil war.
Negative things into positive.
Also targeted were politicians and clan elders who were inside the hotel discussing a regional election due to be held next month.
We are very much worried about the security of Jubaland, and we are very suspicious about the act which coincided during the peak of campaign.
Al-Shabaab claimed responsibility for the attack in an area it was driven out from 7 years ago. The African Union's multinational force in Somalia says it will continue to work to stabilize the country. But this latest attack shows Al-Qaeda-affiliated Al-Shabaab group still has a powerful presence. Sara Khairat, Aljazeera.